there, crafters. So today I wanted to share a little bit about Paper Pumpkin, which is a monthly subscription kit, and it's a crafting kit, which is great. Every month you get this little red box, and inside is everything that you need to create some projects. And every month those projects are different. So sometimes it's cards, sometimes it's 3D projects, and sometimes it's it could be anything. All right, there's been a couple times where it's been home decor as well. So every month you open the box and you get the blue tissue paper. You get a stamp set that is exclusive to Paper Pumpkin, so this is the only way that you can get the stamp set. You get an ink spot or two. So these are just like little ink pads. And then you open the tissue paper and it reveals the projects for this month. And what's great about it is that everything that you need is in here apart from scissors. And you could probably use like a snail adhesive as well. Okay, so for this particular month, this is January 2018. It was called Heartfelt Love Notes. So that is, as I film this, this is the one that I just received this week. And you got, is it eight little note cards that you could create with envelopes for Valentine's Day. And like I said, everything is pre-cut and ready for you, and you get dimensionals, you get mini glue dots, all the die cut shapes, the cards are cut and scored for you. So basically you stamp and assemble. So it's super, super easy, and it's a great kit to take with you on the go. So if you've got kids in sporting activities and you're sitting in the bleachers and you want something to do, you can craft. If you're going out to the lake or the cabin and you just want to bring something because you want to spend half an hour, 45 minutes crafting, this is the perfect kit for that without having to lug a whole ton of stuff. Okay, so this is this month's kit, but I wanted to show you what I did with this month's kit. Okay, so let's close that up. Now, here's a closer look at what the projects were. So basically, they are little note cards that are divided, and I should have kept one, so you'll get a better idea when I show you. So you untie the ribbon, and then you open it up. Here, I'll show you the picture. So the instructions are pretty good. They're not in color, but that's okay. It gives you all the information that you need. So basically, you open it up, and you can stamp on there, and then stamp on the little inserts, the little tags, then decorate it. It shows you where to put the mini glue dots, and then add some embellishments. And you usually end up with several leftover pieces at the end as well. So this is a great option for crafters who are limited in space, somebody who wants something quick and easy, or if you want a project to work with your grandkids or your kids, this is a great option as well. So let me show you what I created. So I switched it up a little bit. You can see here that they've used this little tag and stamped a greeting on there and then added the banners underneath. So I used the stitched ovals shape and added that behind. And then I had a bunch of these hearts left cut from a previous project, and they were sitting on my desk. So I decided to stitch them together. So I have a melon mambo, a vellum one, and then some patterned paper. This is the Painted with Love DSP that's in the Occasions catalog. So I stitched those together and then added them to my oval. I used the banners that come in the kit. So these are stickers. So I stuck those behind. I used the enamel shapes that come in the kit. And then when you untie the ribbon, which also came in the kit, you open it up, and I used one of the labels here. It says, "You make my heart happy," so that was one of the stamps that was in the kit. And then I just tucked in a couple little chocolates. So it's a cute little treat. I didn't stamp Happy Valentine's Day or anything because my Valentine's Day projects are actually already done. So I didn't need any more Valentine's cards, but I have an event that I'm going to tomorrow, and I needed some treats to give to some of my downline and friends that will be there. So I made up the rest of the kit and made them like this to hand out. All right, so there's always lots of possibilities with alternates. But what I wanted to share with you today is an alternate that I created using this kit that I'm super excited about. So when I first opened the kit, my mind immediately went to a mini album, because right now my mindset is all about scrapbooking and memory keeping, and that's just where my head is right now. So I thought, oh, this is perfect. I can create a little mini album for my husband for Valentine's Day. So what I did, I'll just untie it and open it up so you can see. So I attached several of the cards together. So you can see that here's the angled bit, and then here's the next card. So I stuck this angled bit to the back of the previous card, and I alternated because there's hearts and there's diagonal lines. So I alternated between the hearts and the diagonal lines. And then you have this fabulous pocket that you could include pictures or journaling, whatever you want. So I've used several other things. I used Painted Love, the gold stickers that are in the Occasions catalog. I used one of our tab punches. And this scallop little insert, this actually came in the kit this month. So I used those inserts to add my photos. This heart came with the kit. This came with the kit. This is from a Hostess set. I think it's called Yay You, I think, in the Occasions catalog. So there's a little floral or a little leaf image in there, so I stamped that and cut it out. And then you flip it here. So I added a picture to this side. I stamped Family as a Gift That Lasts Forever, tucked that in there. I stamped You Make My Heart Happy, which is from that kit, added a little scrap of doily in behind. And then You Are My Kind of Fantastic, which is also from that Yay You stamp set. And again, another photo of our kids. I used another piece of the ribbon. And here's my daughter. I added some more of the enamel shapes. This vellum flag is in the kit, and then I just used a scrap of rich razzleberry to tie in the enamel shapes. And then here, this is another sticker from that Painted Love, I think it's called. I can't remember, in the Occasions catalog, the stickers. I stamped Father and Daughter, and then stamped this image comes in this month's kit as well. And then I used some Flirty Flamingo twine. And then here's some more Flirty Flamingo twine, another one of those leaves. Again, the heart came in the kit, and this is our sun. Some more stickers, and then this is some washi tape from, I think it's the Tutti Frutti suite. And then here, You're Truly Amazing, again from that Yay You stamp set, another gold vinyl sticker. And one of the tags, more of the ribbon. And then what I had the kids do on these is I had them write What I Love About You. So they wrote those, I added some embellishments to the bottom, and then I included What I Love About Him as well. So those are tucked into the back. And then, look at this. So that is super cute just like that, but look at this. When you stand it up, you can attach the front and the back and tie a bow. Do this quickly here. And he's got the cutest little mini album that he can keep on his desk at work. Like, look at that. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me check here. I think you can see that. So super cute little album, and he could just kind of flip through and kind of alternate who he wants to look at each day. So super, super cute little album, and having the paper pumpkin kit just made it so simple to do. So I'm sure now you are interested in how you can get Paper Pumpkin. So I will include a link to my Paper Pumpkin site so that you can sign up for a subscription. You can go month to month. You can purchase a prepaid subscription in my online store. We have a few different options. You can do a 1-month prepaid subscription, or you can do a 3-month prepaid subscription, and that will qualify you for a free level 1 celebration item. You can do a 6-month prepaid subscription. That will qualify you for 2 free level 1 celebration items or 1 free level 2 celebration items. And this, of course, ends at the end of March 2018. All right, and then a 12-month subscription. So if you want to do it for a year, you get 4 free level 1 celebration items or 2 free level 2s, or you can combine 1 level 2 and 6 level, I think that would be 6 level 1s. I think, if I'm doing the math right. Plus you get Stampin' Rewards on that as well. So that's another advantage as well. So if you're interested in this, I will include, if you just want to go month to month, that is completely fine. I'll include my Paper Pumpkin subscription link in the details below this video. I will also include my online store information. I am Canadian, so you have to be Canadian in order to purchase from me. And the product numbers for these, I will also include those in the description below, but you can find all the information in your Stampin' Up! Catalog on page 9. And all the product numbers for the 1, 3, 6, or 12-month options are down here. Okay, so I hope that you decide to give Paper Pumpkin a try, because it is seriously amazing. It's so exciting to get that surprise each month. And during celebration is the best time to give it a try because of these additional perks. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll chat with you soon.